Hey, little Jordan. And you got the hiccups? We just had a big meal. And now he has the hiccups. Jordan? Hi, sweetie. Hi. What's going on? What are those hiccups all about? He's just starting to open his eyes and stuff now. His eyes are getting a little less puffy. Hi, sweetie. You're such a cutie. Yes, you are. You have the cutest little mouth. Yes, you do. Yeah. Nice crossed eyes. Hi. Hey, Jordan. Hey, sweetie pie. I could watch you all day.